Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and today I am joining two hashtags. The first one is Two Crafters, One Designs, who are Melissa with Moe Creations, Lisa with UCYIMADIVA, and Gloria with Girlie's Cards. And each week they come up with a prompt for you to create your crafty item with and then share on Saturday. And I'm also joining hashtag Sat More Makes with Jill Norwood, who is Jillian Norwood Designs with Greenwood Girl Cards here on YouTube. And what Jill wants you to do is to craft all week and then share your crafty items on Saturday morning. So this week for Two Crafters and One Designs, the prompt was Crafter's Choice. So I'm going to share with you a card that I made this week. So first up, I used this postage edge rectangle die, and this is from Spellbinders. It has 6 cutting dies. You can see them here. Super popular right now, the postage edge design. I also used some sequins from Spellbinders, and I think I used the gold ones, the gold smooth disc ones. And then I also used this paper pad that I recently purchased off of Amazon, and it's the Majestic by Prima, and it's just a different paper pad. I never saw this when it first came out. I'm looking here to see if it shows a year, but it doesn't. So let me just, I don't know if I've shared this with you guys before, but this is really a pretty paper pad. Just has it's double-sided, and it's 24 sheets. And it's just super pretty. I love it. So let me show you. Oh, one more thing. The star of the show. Sorry. It's the Better Press plate saying hello. So I got a Better Press for my birthday and actually got a new Platinum Spellbinder 6 also for my birthday. So I was very excited about that. So this is my first card I want to share using this, the Better Press. So let me share with you the card. So it's super simple, but it's really pretty. And so this was my first time using the Better Press. And I did have just a few little areas where the ink, I just put too much ink on it, but I still wanted to use it. And I thought it turned out beautiful. So if you haven't used a Better Press or you never actually seen in person the results of using one like I hadn't, once you do see it in person, it really makes a big impact on how this feels and how it looks. So I'm super excited and hope to have many more designs to share with you using the Better Press. So here's my card. Let me know what you think below. Do you have a Better Press? Are you loving it? Are you wanting to get one? So let me know below. And thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are not a subscriber, I appreciate if you subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Have a great day. Bye.